Hey guys, my name is Bablu, and in this video I'm sharing the feedback of my students who have attended the lectures or the communication classes or English language classes. This was a wonderful experience to all the students. I'll be sharing a lot of experiences on my website too. So if you want to learn and improve your English communication, just direct message me and have a look to the videos. Thank you.
Hello guys, in this video I want to share about my learning experience with Bablu sir. I joined his communication classes few days back and now I can see change in myself. The teaching way of the Bablu sir is really appreciating. Really he's working hard for us, and thank you sir. Thank you so much for making such a great platform for us to improve our skills, and it's really beneficial for me. Thank you sir.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are good, healthy and wealthy, and my best regards to all. I am Ravina Shuran, and here in this video I want to put my opinion regarding the English speaking skills and the personality development courses that I had already taken, like the BKD mentorship course. Such type of courses help us to improve our personality, to increase our level of self-worth, and also open lot of doors for our bright future and help us to communicate betterly. So I suggest you also put some time on yourself and join such type of courses which increase your personality. Thank you.
Hello Bablu sir, good evening. How are you? I hope you are well and good. It was very fabulous experience with you, and your way of teaching is very interesting, and you create such an environment where every student can feel comfortable and take interest. And most important thing I ever felt is you interact with every student as a as a friend, and it make every student more comfortable. And you made this language so simple for us, and I'm feeling so many changes in my English speaking. It's all because of you. I'm thanking you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
The English speaking classes by Bablu Krishna Das sir is an awesome thing on Zoom till now for me. He teaches in a very easy way so that everyone can learn easily. He creates a wonderful environment so that everyone learn with enjoyment. He is a person who transform an introvert to extrovert.
Hi, my name is Kajal. I'm one of the members who attended the PKD Mentorship 30 Days program. See, it helped me a lot with my skills and confidence as well. Now I feel more confident during having conversations. I think it changed my life. See, I was one of the speakers who can't speak a smooth English in front of others, even with my friends. See how embarrassing is this? But now I can do this easily. And one of my fears, facing camera, was also destroyed by this course. And as you can see, now I can face camera, and all thanks to Mr. Bablu Krishnadas sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
So guys, these were the little feedbacks of my students who have done their complete course with me of English language. This is just the beginning. I have a number of students which I cannot share too much on my videos, but seriously guys, English is very easy, and my students are facing seeing a lot of changes in their life. All the problems that they were facing completely destroyed. So if you really want to improve your English communication, just directly message me or give a comment. In the description I have given the form for registering yourself for the complete course in upcoming days. So if you want to improve your English, just directly message me. Thank you. Have a great day.